Welcome or welcome back. It's your woman Angela KOD. We are still in Ghana, and today I'm going to prepare a Kontomire stew or Cocoyam leaf stew without Egusi. Come with me and let's go and make this delicious sauce. But if you're new to this channel, guys, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD, and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you so much. By the way, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, share my videos with your friends and family. Thank you so much. Come with me and let's go. By the way, as you can see, fresh in Kontomire from the garden. So this is from our garden. We are eating from our garden today. Let's go. For our ingredients, we'll be needing our kontomire. This is the kontomire I plucked from the garden. And this is my flake mackerel, palm oil, blended onion, stock cube, that is our fermented fish momone, shredded onion, shredded tomatoes, blended tomatoes and pepper. We are using basmati brown rice and palm oil and salt to taste. So these are the ingredients we'll be needing for our cooking. I'll start with the rice because the rice takes time. So salt to your taste. I'll stir it in. I'll start preparing the kontomire. So I've already put a little bit of water underneath of the pan. I'll just put everything in it. This kontomire has been thoroughly washed. It's very important. Go ahead and start with the sauce. I've added my palm oil to the pan. You can use any oil of your choice, but this type of kontomire oil, when you use palm oil, is the best. Guys, comment below wherever you come from. Comment below if you also eat cocoyam leaves, because one of my friends from Nigeria told me Nigerians don't eat cocoyam leaves. So comment below if you're from Togo or any part of African country if you eat cocoyam leaves. Go ahead and add our fermented fish, that is the momone. The momone has already done his job, so I'll go ahead and remove the bones from the momone. Guys, see, this is the bone. I'll go ahead and add my shredded onions. This particular sauce is very suitable for giving babies. It's very suitable for babies, adults, everybody can eat. And you can enjoy it with rice, plantain, yams, any potatoes, whatever. It's very, very delicious. In case you don't have a kontomire available, you can also use spinach. To go ahead and add our blended tomatoes and pepper. Then we'll add our shredded tomatoes. This is authentic Ghana kontomire froye, Papa B. We are making it right here in Ghana. I'll add one stock cube. and some salt to taste for the base. So a teaspoon of salt is enough. I'll stir everything in. I'll go ahead and add my blended onion. It's very important. Blended onion and your kontomire fry or your kontomire stew is very important because it adds a lot of flavor to your sauce. Now I will leave it, I'll cover it up, and on a medium heat I will leave it to cook. Let's check on our kontomire or cocoyam leaf. Then cover it again for a few minutes and our kontomire will be ready. We'll go ahead and add our flake fish and stir everything in. I'm going to taste for salt. It's okay for now. I'll cover it on a medium heat. I'm going to blend my kontomire or cocoyam leaf with my local blender, that is asanka or apotewa. So this is our kontomire, it's ready. Blending is not too smooth, a little bit rough. This is ready, so I'll go ahead and take it from the asanka. It's ready. Our sauce is doing perfect. I'm going to add my kontomire or my cocoyam leaf to the sauce. I'll go ahead and stir everything in. Look at all these goodies. I hope you are seeing what I'm also saying. Wow. Just look. I'll go ahead and taste for salt. For now, it's okay. So on a medium heat, I'll cover it and then I'll check it on later. Guys, let's check on our sauce. It's perfect. I'll go ahead and taste for salt for the last time. Now that everything is combined, it's perfect. I'm not going to add any salt to the sauce again. Just have a look, all these goodies. Oh, our sauce is ready. I'll go ahead and put on the fire. And I'll set it aside. Let's check on our rice. It's almost done. This brown rice take a little bit of time to cook, so we still have to cover it up and give it some time. Our cocoyam leaf stew is ready. That is our kontomire fro, yeah. Without egusi is ready here, guys. Look at how healthy with our brown rice is perfect. The combination with some boiled eggs is perfect. Guys, it's very healthy and nutritious. Guys, look at how fluffy our rice is. A kontomire fro here with brown rice. Serve with some boiled eggs. Guys, food is ready. All are invited, but it's rather unfortunate you cannot come and eat with us. Thank you so much for coming with me to make this delicious, healthy and kontomire fro or cocoyam leaf stew without egusi. Guys, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD, and everyone watching my videos, this kiss is for you. Thank you so much for your love and support. And we appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you so much. By the way, give me a thumbs up. Share my videos with your friends and family. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye from Ghana. Bye. Adios. Kiss, kiss.